Connected TV advertising, also known as CTV advertising, is one of the fastest growing segments in the digital marketing world, and it has completely transformed the way brands and businesses reach audiences in today's modern era of streaming content. Because instead of traditional television commercials that used to run on cable or satellite TV and reached everyone in a broad way without much targeting, connected TV advertising allows ads to be shown on internet-connected televisions, smart TVs, and streaming devices such as Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, or even gaming consoles that support video apps like Hulu, Netflix with ads, Disney+, YouTube TV, Peacock, and many more platforms that consumers are now using to watch their favorite shows, movies, and live sports. And the beauty of CTV advertising is that it merges the large screen experience of television with the precision, targeting, and measurability of digital advertising, giving marketers the best of both worlds, because people are no longer watching content the old way where everyone tuned in at the same time. Instead, they are watching on demand across different apps at different hours, and advertisers needed a way to adapt to this shift in viewing habits. So CTV advertising was born as a bridge between television's storytelling power and digital's data-driven performance. And when we talk about the benefits of connected TV advertising, the first major benefit is precision targeting, meaning instead of blasting an ad to millions of households who may or may not be relevant, a brand can use audience data such as demographics, interests, online behavior, location, purchase history, or even real-time browsing activity to ensure that the ad is reaching the right viewer in the right household at the right time, which increases the efficiency of ad spend and reduces wasted impressions. The second big benefit is measurability and analytics, because unlike traditional TV where advertisers had to rely on rough estimates of viewership from rating agencies, CTV provides detailed real-time reporting on impressions, completion rates, engagement, clicks, conversions, and even cross-device tracking, meaning a brand can see not just how many people watched an ad, but also who clicked through on their phone or completed a purchase later. And this kind of transparency makes CTV advertising more accountable and performance-driven. The third benefit is creative flexibility, because CTV ads can be interactive, clickable, skippable, or even personalized to the viewer, giving a much richer and more engaging experience compared to static TV commercials. For example, a car brand can show different versions of an ad depending on whether the viewer has recently searched for SUVs or electric cars. A food delivery app can show local restaurant deals based on the viewer's zip code. And a travel company can promote holiday packages tailored to the viewer's browsing behavior, which was never possible on linear TV. And another benefit of CTV advertising is its ability to reach cord cutters and cord nevers, meaning the audiences who have either canceled cable TV subscriptions or never had one in the first place. And these groups are growing rapidly, especially among younger generations who prefer streaming services over traditional broadcast. So if a brand wants to remain relevant and maintain reach among these high-value audiences, investing in CTV is critical. And speaking of scale, the reach of CTV is massive and still growing because millions of households worldwide are shifting their viewing time to streaming platforms. And with that shift, ad inventory is expanding, giving marketers more opportunities to get their message in front of consumers where they are most engaged. Now let's dive deeper into the role of data in CTV advertising, because data is the true backbone that powers targeting, personalization, and measurement in this ecosystem. Without data, connected TV would just be another version of traditional TV, but streamed through the internet. But with data, it becomes a dynamic and intelligent advertising channel. First, we have first-party data, which comes directly from a brand's own customers, such as email lists, loyalty programs, app usage data, or past purchase records. This data can be used to build custom audience segments and deliver ads to people who already know and trust the brand, increasing the chance of conversions. Then, we have third-party data, which is aggregated from external sources like data providers, and includes insights such as household income, interests, online browsing habits, and even offline purchases, which helps advertisers expand their reach beyond existing customers and target new prospects who look similar to their best customers. There's also contextual data, which looks at the type of content being streamed, such as sports, kids shows, lifestyle, news, or entertainment, and serves ads that align with the mood and interest of that content, creating a more relevant ad experience. And one of the most advanced applications of data in CTV is programmatic advertising, where ads are bought and placed in real time through automated platforms using algorithms, machine learning, and audience insights, ensuring that every impression has the maximum chance of reaching the most relevant viewer at the most efficient cost. And programmatic CTV buying also allows for frequency capping, meaning a viewer won't be bombarded with the same ad repeatedly, improving the user experience. And another way data enhances CTV advertising is through attribution models, which help track the customer journey from ad exposure on the TV screen to actual actions like website visits, app downloads, or purchases, allowing brands to calculate ROI with greater precision. And with advancements in cross-device measurement, advertisers can now see how an ad viewed on a connected TV influenced actions taken on a smartphone, tablet, or a desktop computer. Closing the loop between awareness and conversion, and in terms of consumer experience, data also helps reduce irrelevant ads because nobody likes to see random ads that don't apply to them. So personalization powered by data actually improves satisfaction and makes ads feel more like useful recommendations, which increases engagement and brand recall. And as the industry grows, privacy and data security are also becoming important considerations. So CTV advertising platforms are increasingly adopting privacy-first practices, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA, giving users transparency and control over their data, which builds trust. Now, when we look at the bigger picture, the combination of connected TV advertising and data is creating a new golden era of television advertising, where storytelling can still happen on the biggest screen in the house, but with the accountability and efficiency of digital marketing. And for brands, this means better targeting, better performance, and better ROI. While for consumers, it means more relevant, less annoying, and more engaging ad experiences. And as streaming platforms continue to grow, competition for attention is only going to get tougher. So brands that embrace CTV advertising early and learn how to harness data effectively will be the ones who win in the long run. And this makes connected TV advertising not just a trend, but a necessity for modern marketers. And in the coming years, innovations like shoppable TV ads, voice-enabled ads, AI-powered creative optimization, and real-time audience segmentation will push CTV advertising even further, turning the television screen into an interactive digital channel where discovery, engagement, and conversion can all happen seamlessly. So, to summarize, connected TV advertising is the future of television ads. Its benefits include precision targeting, measurable performance, creative flexibility, and access to cord-cutting audiences. And its power lies in the use of data, which fuels targeting, personalization, programmatic buying, attribution, and improved user experience, making it one of the most effective tools in the marketer's toolkit today. Video made by AdoMobi.